Hi there, sixth graders. Mr. Kerr here, and welcome to week 12, La Florida. And remember that. What we're going to be doing here is talking about some of the exploration through Florida and the interaction between the explorers and the people who already live there. And kind of talking about that. Florida, important, of course, had a quite a population before the European explorers came in, and some interesting reasons as to why it was explored. Before we get into that, as always, please make sure that you have checked your grade book, you're checking your messages and your email and all of that. Go through the Start Here folder if you have any questions about the class in general. As always, make sure if you have any missing or late assignments that you go back and get them done. As we get going here in week 12, a couple of things. First of all, Election Day is this Tuesday, November 6th. And so if you know anyone who is voting, you're first of all encouraged, because we want to be good citizens of our communities. Please encourage everyone who is registered to vote, or even if they're not, because all citizens, even if you're not registered, you can still register up until Election Day here in Colorado to get out and vote. And that also means that your ballot extra credit is due Wednesday, November 7th. And I really hope everyone participates in that and gets a taste of what the election process is all about. So week 12, exploring Florida. You do have a weekly quiz, and please take that on Monday. Right after you're done watching this video, please go through the week 12 quiz. And speaking of that, you will need to know what the phrase of the week is. And the phrase of the week is La Florida. So it's also the name of the week. La Florida is the phrase of the week. So type that in for that question on the quiz. All right. You do have a discussion board called First Impressions, and then a discussion board questions lead to answers. So 2 discussion boards in addition to the quiz. Please go through all of the different pages for the week. Learn about the different Spanish explorers and Hernando de Soto, and other explorations through the south, what would become the southeastern United States. Let me know if you have any questions at all. We're getting coming up on Thanksgiving break, not next week, but the week after. And really want to and that means we're getting towards the end of the semester. So we really need to make sure we're getting done with everything we need to. Okay, great. Let me know if you have questions. I will see you soon. Thanks. Bye.